Woo, there's Stephanie. She's riding for the first time. Riding the TTR 125. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. She got a handful of throttle on that one. Oh my gosh. She's doing good. Yeah, that's the hardest part of this track, is that turn, because it's kind of got a off camber on it. Wow. This is Matthew right there. Matt's riding the 250, the TTR 250. Here she goes again. This is the sketchy part. Good job. She's riding it like an old pro. He's having fun. Here we are up at Kahuku, riding the trails, riding some heavy. Oh no! There she goes. There she goes. Good throttle control. That's awesome. It's hard for a beginner because, you know, she's not used to. This is the first time she's ever rode a motorcycle, and I taught her to ride in less than 10 minutes maybe. You guys seen it. That was the first time she's ever rode a bike. Oh, here comes Matt. You're gonna make trouble with his sister. That's my street legal TTR 250. Whoa, I like that one. Matt slid it and remained in control. Good job. He's riding good. Oh.